Do you want more engagement on your YouTube videos? Do you feel like no one's commenting, no one's sharing, no one's liking your videos? Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you 7 ways to increase your engagement on your videos so that you can grow your channel in a more sustainable manner. Okay, so the first tip is very obvious, but a lot of people don't do it. I am even guilty of this myself. I think I have done this maybe a few times on my channel. And that is ask for engagement. Ask people to subscribe in your videos. Ask people to like your videos. Ask people to share them with friends. How do you do that? Simple. You say, hey guys, not to interrupt this video, but I just want to say if you're getting value from this content, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. It will help me to reach more people and share my content with a wider audience. And by the way, if you have a friend or family member that would benefit from this video, feel free to share the video with them. That will also help. Thanks so much. Back to the video. Another way would be to ask them to comment below. So it's as easy as saying something like, hey guys, I was thinking about doing this video on ... Would you be interested in seeing that? If so, let me know in the comments below so I know whether or not I should create that video. Thanks, and then keep talking about your video. I would recommend that you ask people to do specific things. Hey, would you like this video? Very clear. Or hey, would you comment below if you want to see this video? Very clear. So those are the types of things. And in your comment sections, you can always pin a comment to the top of the feed so that people can see a comment there. So you could ask a specific question underneath your video as the first comment so that people see it as they're watching your video and they're scrolling down to read the description and they look down at the comments. They can see your first pinned comment at the top that is asking them a very specific question. For example, you could say, which tip in this video resonated with you most? Share below. Something like that. Tip number 2, respond to comments. Whenever you get a comment in, start responding to them. Always respond to your comments in your comment section of your videos. It is a great way to build community. When I first started my YouTube channel, I spent many hours every week just responding to comments, and I absolutely loved spending time in the comments. I don't have as much time to devote to that now that I've grown bigger and I get lots of comments. However, I still go into there every week for a few hours a week to respond to comments, and it is so important for many things on your channel, but most importantly, to engage with your audience directly and get feedback from them and also give them additional advice if they are looking for it, or just simply to say thank you for watching my video. Tip number 3 would be to create engaging content. By creating engaging content, people will want to automatically engage with your content. Does that make sense? You want to create videos that are entertaining, that are educational, or you want to create videos that show your personality, make people want to actually speak up and say thank you or be appreciative for your videos because you're providing them so much value. You're helping them in some way. So by creating quality content, people will automatically want to respond to you or write in the comments or click on the like button and those types of things, or subscribe to you because you are creating quality content that they resonate with and they want to learn more from you. So by experiencing that from your videos, they will automatically feel like they want to comment or like or subscribe to your channel. Tip number 4 would be to use engaging thumbnails and titles. So if people see that your thumbnails are really appealing, that your thumbnails really express clearly what your video is about, and it's something that someone wants help with or wants to learn more about, they will click on it. And by seeing that bright thumbnail or that happy thumbnail, that picture of you on the thumbnail or whatever it is, that intriguing thumbnail, that outrageous thumbnail, whatever it is, they will cause them to click. That is engagement as well. So your thumbnails and your titles do matter for getting more engagement to your videos. And it's not just comments that you want to have on your videos, but you also want people to get into the video in order to watch your quality content in order for them to then comment, in order to engage with your videos as you would like. Number 5 would be to create playlists. So if you want to boost your engagement, which is people watching your videos more and thus hopefully commenting and liking and subscribing to your videos more, it is great if you would create playlists because then they can hop in a playlist and learn from you in a specified order or about a specific topic that they're interested in. And the more they watch, the more likelihood they will be to comment or respond or let you know what they like or do not like about your video. So playlists are great for increasing your engagement on your videos. Number 6 would be to use polls or the community post or provide quizzes or stuff like that. So if you notice, once you get to a certain amount of subscribers on your YouTube channel, you do have access to the post or the community tab. It's now called the post tab. And you can post there whenever you want, either quizzes, polls, images, videos, whatever, and engage with your audience there, and they can respond to whatever you post in that feed. Think of it like a Facebook feed for your YouTube channel, for those of you that use Facebook. It's a location where you can, or LinkedIn, it's a location where you can add information and post it out to your community in a way that's more like a scrolling feed of information, and they can react to it. They can like it, they can comment, they can take the poll, they can take the quiz, those types of things. So it's another way to engage with your audience, and it's also another way to show that your channel is actively interested in building community. Number 7 would be to run contests and giveaways. So this is a fun way to engage with your audience. People love free stuff. Who doesn't, right? So if in your videos you say there's a free giveaway, comment below and I will give it to the first 5 people, or comment below and I'll mention the next 5 people in the next video, or do a shout out to them or something like that. So if you provide some sort of giveaway or challenge or prizes or something like that, that's also another great way to get people engaged with your content and start commenting to your videos. This is one I haven't used myself, and I think I should start doing it actually. And that's basically it. Those are my 7 tips for how to build better engagement with your community. If you're wondering where to even find out the engagement levels of your videos, you simply go into the YouTube Studio, go into the Analytics tab, and in there you can then see views, subscribers, and if you hit the plus sign, you can add things like how many shares this video has had, how many comments the video has had, and things like that. So that's a great place. In the YouTube Studio is a great place to learn how much engagement you are actually getting on your videos, and what videos are getting great engagement, and to actually learn which videos in your content is receiving higher engagement levels. And you could look and see what are you doing in those videos that you aren't doing in the other videos. So that's definitely something to look into as well. Hopefully this was helpful. And if you're a new YouTuber getting on YouTube and you just want a really solid online course to get you started, I have recently created an online course that I'm very proud to finally release to the public. And so if you're interested in that, there is a link in the description below. Okay, thanks you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.